you like me to teach you something, John? Would you like to have a teaching moment?
Not really.
Well, you're gonna anyways. Come here. So we're trying to remove this part because the clip was busted, so we're gonna try to remove it. It's got these two screws right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tap on the hammer a little bit.
I have a better way.
What's that?
An impact screwdriver.
How does that work?
I'm gonna show you.
Also, when you pound on it, it drives it?
Yeah, it gives it just like an eighth of a turn. So you get the bit that fits in
cool.
there.
So the more you pound it, the more it turns?
Now see when it comes down,
And it's
you
reversible?
turn it, yeah. You can tighten it or loosen. So as it comes down, see now that's tightening. See if you, so
I get that,
as it, see it gives it a twist that way.
How do you reverse it? Oh, just twist it?
Now it goes the other way.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
I can't. Do.
What does that do?
There we go. So two different things are either going to happen. Ta-da.
Oh.
See? Now you've learned something, John.
I wouldn't mind being the guy that invented that thing.
You would strip it out. See, if you crank on it, then you're just going to strip out the little screw. And then you got to sit here and grind it and try to get it to a flat screwdriver. You know, we've done that. But it still doesn't work. Then you got to try vice grips.
Heat it up and all that.
Or you just get yourself an impact screwdriver set. You can put nuts on here too. Use this for nuts and stuff.
When did they come up with that?
I don't know. Been around for a while.
Really? Can you actually feel it?
Yeah. This thing's a magnet.
That is so cool.
Yep, and you saved a screw. You have learned something today.
Where do you buy that at? AutoZone and all that stuff?
Yeah, AutoZone won't have them. That's like too good of a tool for AutoZone. But a better place, you know, like a Napa or something like that, they would have it.
So Napa is a better? O'Reilly, Napa? Which one are those guys there?
Napa is better.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Well, that's the part that's broken. I don't know if it's going to fix your problem or not.
Wasn't this what the problem was? I mean, if this was corroded?
Well, the connections were corroded all in here, wiring and everything else. So, all I need is this. So, we're going to try it.
Contact cleaner?
Yeah, I do. I do. I do. I do, I do, I do. Do you know what I've been doing for the last 2 days, John?
What's that?
Working on Volvos.
Well, as long as you got your hat on.
Yeah, but my question is, here's my question. The Volvos are all brand new. Why am I working on them?
Because there are more than one moving part.
No, that's not the reason.
Quit whining, Larry. I know you like working on trucks.
I'm a little tired.
You love to work on trucks.
I do, but I'm a little tired.
You live to work on trucks.
I almost bought a truck the other day.
A semi-truck?
Yeah, if the guy will come down on his price, I'll buy it. You want to know what it is?
What?
A 1988 Kenworth cabover.
Cabover?
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand the logic of this deep well here.
It's supposed to hold grease for you.
Apparently it doesn't work.
Well, that's where all your grease is. There you go. It's all cleaned up now. All right. I don't want to do this anymore today. I'm a little behind on my videos, John.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Everybody's bothering you about it?
Yeah,
The boss said he's had about 6 phone calls of people asking if I've been fired, if I quit, or if I died.
Which one was the more?
I don't know.
Died part?
I don't know. Alright, we'll go pull that one off. And replace it, and we'll see if the truck starts. And if it doesn't, I quit. I'm gonna be just like Rosie O'Donnell.
Oh.
If it doesn't, I quit. I'm moving out of the United States. If Donald Trump is president, I'm gonna move. Have you ever asked yourself what happened to that?
Huh?
Have you ever asked yourself what happened to that?
No.
You knew that, right?
Oh, Rosie O'Donnell?
Yeah, Rosie O'Donnell and that big blonde woman from The View.
Yeah.
They made those things when he was running for president. If he
Miley
wins,
Cyrus.
I'm moving out of this country.
Even Miley Cyrus.
Yeah, and then when he won, then nobody moved.
I know, right?
It's like, okay.
I don't think people are going to be saying that.
What's that?
I said, I don't think people are going to be saying that this time.
I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of Biden signs lately this last week. You know that? Come on, what's it? Wheel.
You don't have to take the whole
No,
water out.
no. Of course, it's right behind some hoses too. Alright, we're going to disconnect the power so I don't electrocute myself. Alright, take these wires off here. Everything's a bit toasty. Alright. So the one with the shield on it is on the bottom. You guys remember that so I don't screw this up, okay? Okay. Now, take these screws out. I guess that he's having problems starting again. And this is a brand new starter. Once in a while it doesn't want to start. So, and this when I pulled it out of the box, this clip was busted that the wiring harness goes into. So I wasn't sure about it. I don't want to drop it. That might actually break this one. Here's that one. Nothing like a screwdriver in the face. Probably should have ran this thing up on the ramps. I ain't got no room. Alright, where'd my screw go? There it is. Alrighty. I got to find my nuts. There it is. Okay, the top wire. I placed it on there, but it fell off. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. Put a little boot over the top of it again. Now we can plug this in. There we go. Alright, let's put power back to her so she starts. Well, we're all done with John Boy here. And we did a mounting job for his antenna booster. I made a little bracket for him, mounted it up, so it's not on his mirror and dangling around. And now the big question is, when he backs out the door, is it going to get knocked off? I'm taking bets right now. Oh boy. Ooh, that's... that much. Yeah, I'd be careful of 13.5 bridges. See ya. Well, there we go, boys and girls. I have to jump in my semi now. I got to run over to the shop, over to the yard. I got to do a couple little things on trailers and stuff like that, and then I can shut her down for the night. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope everyone out there is having themselves a great day, great night as they watch this here video. If you're not, I'm certainly going to try that all over again tomorrow. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.